Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you are seeing couldn't refresh feed on Instagram, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix this error step by step so you can get back to scrolling your feed in no time. So let's start with the basic and most common fixes first. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening YouTube or Google to verify internet access. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa and try enabling airplane mode. Swipe down, turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Okay, now let's dive into Instagram specific fixes. Go to settings. Now look for the option called apps. Tap on it. Search for Instagram from the list. Tap on it. Go to storage and then tap clear cache. Don't clear data unless nothing else works. Another step can be to update Instagram. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search Instagram and tap update if available. You can also try logging out and log back in. Go to your profile and then menu icon at the top right. Scroll down to the bottom of this drawer and tap log out. Wait a few seconds and log in again. If it's still not working, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app, reboot your phone, reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Make sure your phone is set to automatic date and time. And there are chances that Instagram servers might be down. Visit downdetector.com. If Instagram is down globally, just wait, it's not your fault. And there you have it. These are all the best ways to fix the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram. Let me know in the comments what worked for you and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.